Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable Brave reward icon on Brave. So let's get started. Firstly, open Brave browser in your device. Then tap on three dots icon. Next tap on settings. Then scroll until you find appearance. Then tap on it. After that, you can see the option of Brave reward icon. Turn off it by tapping on it. Then tap on later. So, this is how you can disable Brave reward icon on Brave. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.